Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Atu Forex, and I'm here to give you a lot into what trendline strategy. I see most traders going around talking about trendline strategy, trendline strategy. The question is, does it even really work? Yes, trendline strategy is one of the best strategies you ever get in the markets, right? So in Forex market, what we say trend, what does trend even simply means? Trend is the direction of the price, right? Where is the price heading to? When we exchange here, you can see that the pair that we are on right now is Euro SZD, right? So Euro SZD, when we exchange the Euro with the SZD, what was the price? So currently the price was what 1.88, and then previously the price was around 1.7777. So that there has been what an increment in the price. So the prices has jumped from 1.77968 to 1. What 84000. This simply means that there has been what a movement to the upside of what the price. So when you see that the price is moving up, right, how are you going to know that the market is in a bullish or bearish trend? We have two trends. We have the bullish and the bearish. So it's the buy side or the sell side. So we have the buy side to be what the bullish trend. So when we are seeing retracement, right, it gives us what a series of what higher highs and higher lows. And what this if I say higher highs and higher lows, right? If the market is moving this way, right? If the market is moving this if the market is moving this way, right? This is a high, right? This is a high. Once you see that another candle will come, another movement will come, break this level, right? Give us a new high, right? Come back down and go up, break, do the same thing, right? So when you are seeing that the price is doing this, these levels are what the highs in the market, and these are what the higher lows in the market. So if you are seeing higher highs and higher lows, that means the price is in a bullish trend. And when we are seeing lower highs and lower lows, that simply means what the market is what a bearish trend. So look at this, right? Currently, when we are marking out our trend, right, this is what in what a bullish trend. So basically, that's why we are getting what series of higher highs and higher lows, right? And when we are getting that in the market, right, we take advantage of it. How are you going to take advantage of it? Let's go to the market, right? Currently, we are on Euro SZD. This is the 4 hour time frame, and then when you mark out what the trend, you see that price. The moment price broke this level, right, it gave us what a change of what character. The price will start moving from what downside to what to the upside. So we are seeing that there has been what a change of what character, meaning you are going to see multiples of what a higher highs and higher lows. So the how do we even mark out the trend? How are you going to see that you mark out the trend? If you are going bullish, if the market is in a bullish trend, right, you mark out what the higher lows that's in the market. So currently you can see that the price gave us what these pullbacks. So these are what my lows in the market. These my higher lows in the market, right? And we mark out what the second touch of where the trend started from. For example, this is where the price started from. This is the angle the price started from to move up, right? And then it give us what a second touch. So we focus on the first and the second touch, right? Once we get the first and the second touch, right? Anything that happens is what in the future. So you mark out the trend from the first and the second touch till future. So what's going to happen next, right? So anytime price gets there, you can clearly see that anytime price gets to my trend, right? A bounce off. Anytime price gets to what this trend that I mark, a bounce off here, a bounce off the second touch, what bounce off, third touch, bounce off, fourth touch also bounce off, right? This actually didn't touch for, but it did. Let's say it did, right? So what this means again is this has given us an idea that anytime price gets to a trend, a bounce off, right? So we are waiting for price to get to a trend to what buy if you are going bullish. And you can clearly see it's better for you to go with the trend than to go against the trend. When you're going with majority, it's best to do that than going what against what the majority. So let's say majority carries the vote here. So one thing that's in trend line strategy is anytime you see that the trend is what approaching, like the market is what approaching the trend and is consolidating, it's giving us what a ranging, what is going sideways like this towards what the trend. There's going to be what the chance of it breaking out the trend is going to be what higher than what it bouncing off. So once you see that, right, it comes in mind that, oh, I have like there's going to be a breakout in the market, so what should I be expecting? Actually, you can expect more. You can expect that price can bounce off. It can, right? But you see, the higher what the rate is, the more that you get the confluence. So you have like a higher confluence that the price is going to break out. And when it does, you have what a nice entry to what take. And I'm saying on this chart, you can see that when the price is getting closer to what the trend, you can clearly see that this time around, look at what the price is doing. It's pushing what moving sideways. You can see that it's moving what sideways. And when the price is doing this, right, it's doing this, it gives us what a triangle. If you don't know about that strategy, I'm going to talk about more chart patterns in this channel. Make sure you like and subscribe so you can actually get more. So over here, you can see that the price is moving sideways, and then when it's moving sideways towards our trend, what we simply see is the market there's going to be what a breakout. But when is it going to be a breakout, right? There's going to be a breakout when the trend line that you marked to future, right? You see the candle what's breaking this level, and then as most traders will jump in when they see this. I don't mean that jump in as soon as you saw that the price is breaking out, because there's going to be a retracement what and a confirmation for it to continue what's going short. So this is what traders will do. They will jump in here, right? They will get stopped out. They will get stopped out from the trade, and then they'll be like, oh, as soon as they stop me, I started going this way. I think my forex is no. It happens all the time, right? Anytime there's a breakout everywhere, if there's a break of structure, a break of candle, a break of trend, anything, any breakout at all, there's going to be what a retest, which is the pullback that's going to happen. So if you got stuck up with the pullback, it's going to what take you out and then move in your favor. So what you want to do is you wait for what the price to what break this level, go back to retest, right? Give you a direction, give you a direction that the price is now trying to give me what a series of what it's trying to give me a break of candles. It's giving you a lot of break of candles, right? Which is the candlestick confirmation. I'm going to talk about candlestick patterns in my next video. I'm going to talk really a lot about candlestick. You are going to look at candlesticks that can give you the best entries in the whole world. So over here you can see that when there is a retest, right, the price will what keep what falling, so that you can see that the price will be keeping falling. So what I'm saying is if you are seeing that there's a breakout on a trend, right, don't just jump in. Wait for what the retest and then the continuation of what the trend, right? It's simple. You wait for the retest and then you continue what the trend. It happens in all the breakouts in the market. A break of candle, a break of structure, it happens in everywhere, right? So if you are not having this patience that you're going to wait for the breakout to happen, you get stuck in a place that you wouldn't want yourself to be stuck in. So one more thing again, right? Trend line strategies is meant to what follow the trend, right? Follow the trend where the majority are. That's where you're supposed to be. And I think you going against the price is going to be difficult than you following what the price make the market tells you where it is going. So when price gives me a breakout, I know that definitely it has given me a direction that is going to what retrace and a continuation. That's the direction, right? But if you don't take care and you don't wait for the price to do what it wants to do and give you what an idea, that's where you start to think for the market. And when you think for the market, you'll be at a place you wouldn't want yourself to be. So basically the market is now moving sideways. You can see that its range is moving sideways, and when you are seeing the price moving sideways to our trend, there's going to be what a breakout, right? The chance of the breakout is higher than what pulling up or bouncing off, right? So there's trend line. There's trend line strategy. Very simple, right? When you mark out what's the trend, and when it's in a bearish trend, right? It's in a bearish trend. Let's say this is our high, there's our high, right? And the price was giving us what higher lows and what lower lows. So when it's giving us what lower highs and lower lows, what this simply means is the market is in what a bearish trend. So let's mark out what today's trend, and you can clearly see that it was really bouncing off that regions, right? You can clearly see that it was what bouncing off these regions. And once there's a breakout, right? And once the breakout happened, let me do this. Actually, wait, hold on. Okay, so once there was a breakout, you can clearly see that when there was a breakout, price came back again, right? This is the first touch. This is the first touch, right? This is the first touch on the trend, and the second touch, right? And you mark it towards future. What's going to happen? You don't mind. You just mark it towards future, and you can clearly see that there was a breakout, and when the breakout happened, there was a small retracement and a continuation. You can see the price moving heavily. So imagine you waiting right, to take this entry, and then you have entered. And if you are a swing trader who knows how to hold a trade for a long time, you can keep your stops right here. And then you can even go up to, this market is now running up to like 1:7, which is really, really solid. So imagine you risking 1,000 on this trade or 2,000 on this trade, and you're going 7K, bro. Like 7 times your $2,000. That's crazy, bro. So you're going to get a lot of money here. So that's how trendline trust strategy is really, really helpful. It can change your life. Actually, is when you're a swing trader, I think you should look for trendline, because it happens all the time. When the market is trending, right? It's trending. You follow the trend. You get best entries in the whole world. Thank you for watching this video. This is it, the Trendline strategy. I've given you back to back, back to back. I'm going to do more of this video if you keep subscribing, liking, share, right? Be educated, know about Forex market, and I'm going to help you grow your Forex from you being amateur or a beginner towards a professional and an advanced trader. My name is Zatu Forex, and I'm here to help, right? Stay tuned, turn off the notification bell to get my videos, because I'll be uploading a lot more. I was off, right, and now I'm back. Thank you guys. Bye.